G'day everyone, welcome to today's video. We're back at the same creek I've been fishing for the last two videos. It's been going really good lately with the brown trout. I'm here with Eli from Eddie's Fishing. His channel will be in the description. So we're using my trout combo, which is just I think it's a 2000 reel. It doesn't say on it. Atomic skinny water, and the main lure we'll be using is a probably a jointed DR Doctor, whatever you want to call it, minnow from Daiwa. This is a bit of a crayfish color, but I've got a couple other colors that I want to try out today because they recently came out. So we'll get into the video. Oh gosh. So these lures came out probably about a month ago.
I'm using the old one.
He's using the old ones because they stopped manufacturing them a little while ago. But I'll probably be using also Daiwa Presso minnows. Yeah. That's nice. Like and subscribe.
Saw that. Like and subscribe to JXPM and then he's fishing.
That's nice for the reel.
Yeah, we love that.
And the rod.
The rod. It's okay, I fell in a
Who can you help me out?
I literally pressed play as you fell. So you're serving.
I'm still slippery. Yeah, we actually went to this isn't the first time fishing today. We went to the Goulburn earlier today. That was cut short, but I'll pop a picture on the screen. I caught I think it was like 41. Then I caught a 42, which is my new PB. And then I caught two other ones, which was pretty good.
Yeah, we went to the Goulburn this morning and I caught jack crap.
So it was a good sesh this morning. And hopefully we can continue that luck today. Oh, look at the ducklings. Did Jesse lose a big trout here?
What, followed it?
Yeah.
Told you.
Oh, he's good. I dropped it on his head.
Yeah, I know. I told you there's good ones here.
Oh, I've got to keep the tension on him.
Can you net him up, or?
Yeah, just net it. Oh. Yeah, net it. Oh, he's good.
Yeah, sir.
Woohoo! Bring it over here. You can keep fishing.
I'll just give you my bag. Tell me when you're measuring it and when you want me to take a picture.
I'm not going to measure it.
No. How big is it? Oh, I have a I'll show you.
Beautiful little brown trout to start the day. What is he?
31.
31. Hey, that's pretty nice.
Do you want me to give you a picture? Hey, on the new one too. I told you there's always one in that big stuff.
On the Daiwa.
Could be fun. Do you feel any vibrations?
Here he's off. Hold up.
Where'd you lose
I think I know where I left it.
Where?
At your dad's car.
Is it?
On the roof.
Is it?
I think so. Okay, so I just caught the first fish. 31 centimeters, good brown. I went to go grab my phone because I wanted to make a thumbnail. And then I realized, oh wait. I left it somewhere, and we think it's on Eli's dad's car, but hopefully not. Oh well, hopefully it is actually. Spat the hook. Get the dogs.
Is that a legit fish?
That was a good fish. Good bit of a brown.
I hate this guy.
Let me see. Alright guys, I found myself a yabby trap. You can have a look, see?
Oh, smokes.
Nothing.
Dude, so big. It just dropped.
There we go. Sweet, more muddy, but the yabby net's out of the water. Can't carry that with me everywhere. Okay. So far, so good. I've caught one fish. Lost one, it spat the hook. Left my phone on someone's car. I don't know. This is... Yo! Coming! Come on. Oh, geez, welcome. I did not expect that. Little fish. No. Sorry?
Didn't I give you them before?
No. You unhooked it.
See, I'm just too good like that.
Ouch.
Oh, fuck, my finger man.
What is happening? He's all scuffed right there.
Yeah, misprinted. He just misprinted this fish.
He's off. Mint. Two. That's two caught. One lost.
Yep.
Yeah, get the dogs.
Oh, shoot.
He's got you on a big stick. You need help? Dude, that's a good one. Woo!
So father always works, baby. Never doubt the OG.
The OG. The Rapala. Yeah, not your PB. Give him a hold up. Show us the camera. Ooh, little brown.
Man. Tangles around.
Yeah, so's mine. Not even hooked, I'm just tangled.
I'm tangled.
Got it back and hooked another one. We cool. Let's scared of the fish in that spot. I checked it out. I don't know what the number is, but not many percentage of my viewers are actually subscribed. So if you're not, click it. Just subscribe if you want. Helps us out. Makes my content reach out to more people. So yeah, subscribe if you would like. Yeah, it is, isn't it? I'll break my tip if I keep doing that. I'll break my tip if I keep doing that. My lure came off. How the heck did that happen?
What was it? Did not believe.
Look, my clip, it broke my tip. Broke my tip.
Are you? What did you do?
Alright, so I was fishing. I'm not sure I got it on video. I did, I'm pretty sure. And I got snagged right there. And I was doing what I usually do. I just put the tip to the thing and I shake it and it works every single time. And it worked, it got it off. And then it's $20 lure is gone.
And it chipped
and
the rod tip.
It broke
The black bit of
the
the
black
eye.
tip of the eye. I'm not sure. See how
Yeah.
this one
Black
has got a black ring? That one doesn't. And look, my clip
was open.
my clip was open and still on, so it unclipped.
Took the
And
thing off.
the lure's gone, and the little black ring is gone. It's a sinking lure, so I can't find it. I don't have any more of those. We've just been sitting here for probably 5 minutes, just staring, just bloody hell. Well, the show must go on. Got to make a video for this week's video, so
Let's get to it.
okay, I'm gonna put on this. It's a DR Doctor, whatever it is, Minnow 2, not jointed, brown trout color. I hope this doesn't snap my actual rod.
Like put a new clip on.
No, why?
Well, no. If it happens again, we're changing the clip.
Also, if you want to see any videos in the future, let me know in the comments, because I'm not sure what you guys actually want to watch or not, so please let me know. Good guys.
Do a challenge, $20 challenge. I'm gonna work my butt for the money though.
Oh, hold this.
It's a crab.
Hold this.
Pick him up.
I'm going to. Guys, there's a crayfish right here. I'm gonna try and pick him up. Yeah. If I can grab him. Ah!
Cracking mushrooms.
Ah!
Grab a rock.
Dude!
Yeah, they pinch by the way.
They pinch hard.
You grab them.
Right there.
Yeah, that should be good. He doesn't do that thing.
He's got a bunch of parasites on him. Okay, I've been pinched. I lost my lure. My rod broke. No yabbies were harmed in the making of this video. JSB Outdoors.
A lot of Eli's and James were harmed in this video.
The creator of JSB Outdoors was harmed in the creation of this video.
Can you grab my net off the
How big is it?
I don't know. Can you grab the net off my tree? I'm stuck. Oh, shivers. I'm not
Put the tension on him.
That's what I'm trying to do. He's big.
He's good. That is hard to unclip, dude. Good job. Yeah, I knew there was a fish there.
Yeah, I knew. Alright, you already know it. Woodland. Oh, you get out of there.
He's good. Very nice.
How big do you reckon? What's your guesstimate? And let's see if you're right.
35. 32. Not quite your PB.
No.
Getting there.
Getting there. One after the other.
Alright guys, thanks for watching today's video. It was a good day out with Eli. Then again, his channel will be in the description. I caught 2 brown, Eli caught 2. I lost like 1 or 2. I broke my rod tip, I lost my lure. I got really pinched by a yabby trout. It was a rough day, but yeah, we definitely did alright. So stay tuned and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.